I heard you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel.
So, what are you waiting for?
In this tutorial, our creator James will show you how to make a realistic voiceover completely free.
Don't wait, go ahead and subscribe to our channel now.
Do you know that with the latest feature in Google AI Studio, you can now create amazing dialogue voiceover? So say bye-bye to the struggle of creating a voiceover or looking for a voiceover artist to play the dialogue for you and whatever thing you want to do. So with this feature, you can create a smooth voiceover dialogue, not just a single one, a dialogue, between you and someone. So let's explore this and see how it goes. So all thanks to Google AI Studio. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Faster Jest, okay? So you don't miss out on our, of course, subsequent videos. Hurry up and open your Google AI Studio. And of course, we have our Gemini speech generation. Gemini is not just for text generation. It's not just for image generation. You can now use it to generate your of course, audio, voiceover. So I'll edit this. This is it. Over here we have single speaker, okay, single speaker. So let's work with the single speaker first, and I have read aloud in a warm tone. Okay, I think we can change this. Read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. I can change it to whatever thing I want. Okay, but let's leave it there. So start typing. I'll just type this. This is what I have already. So, but I'll just speaker. So I'll just edit this to a single person's phrase. Okay. So dialogue. Fast gist. Welcome. Just editing. And AI. You. Okay. Alright. So. Use Gemini to greet you, compare stories. We have a lot of things here. Gemini to read a disclaimer really fast. Use Gemini to read a disclaimer very fast. Compare. Alright, we'll explore this. So let's just run this first and see. Let's run this first. And of course, you can choose the voice that you want here. The voice, bright, highlight, and of course, whatever thing you want. Antonio, and of course, the voices are just there. But let's use the first one that is given to us. So let's wait for it to load. It's cooking. When it's done cooking.
Welcome to Fasty Gist. We are glad you are here. You can learn amazing things like how to generate an AI voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get started.
Well, that's just that. So click on these three dots, of course, to download. Don't waste time when you have such a thing. Don't be thinking two times. Download your voiceover, then we can go to the next one. So let me change I can change the tempo, how fast I want it to go. So, and of course, this is friendly, right? So with a loud, okay, read aloud in a harsh. Okay, no. Harsh on friendly tone. Okay, so let's run this again, but this time around informative. Okay, let's change this. Let's run and let's see. Explore this while it is still free. Stop saying that you do it tomorrow. Start now. Peradventure, you want to start up a class. Of course, you want to start creating content, and you're thinking of how and when do I start? What do I need to start? Well, you can drop it on the comment section and then I will respond back to you. We can have a one-on-one chat.
Welcome to Fasty Gist. We are glad you are here. You can learn amazing things like how to generate an AI voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get started.
Okay, so I think this, let me change this. This is still confusing. I don't want it to be friendly. You're too friendly with me. But I don't like this. Okay, so let's go again. Let's see what we can have. I don't like the one that I got initially, so I just changed this read aloud in a harsh and unfriendly tone. I want to know if it will actually give me that. But if you notice very well, the AI here is observing the comma.
Welcome to Fasty Gist. We are glad you are here. You can learn amazing things like how to generate an AI voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get started.
Abeg, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. You say, are you not tired? We're begging you since. Say subscribe, subscribe. You subscribe will become. So yes, this is it. It's amazing. So let's save this and let's go to the multi-speaker audio. So now we have multiple questions here. Now I can paste. I've lost what I created initially. I've lost it. Okay. So okay, let me change this to warm. Okay, so please, okay, so this is it. So I haven't done this. Let's run and see.
I heard that you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet.
What are you waiting for?
In this tutorial, our creator, James, will teach you how to create an amazing, realistic voiceover for free.
Please hurry up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Well. It is a pleasure. It is a pleasure. So you can see, I haven't done this. Click on download your audio. It is very, very important. Don't I didn't tell you, it is very, very important. So don't I didn't tell you. So yes, this is it. You can create dialogue, different dialogue. It is not your choice. So stop saying, I cannot create this, I cannot create that. You have this at your disposal for free. So just tell me what you have learned so far. Drop it in the comment section, of course. Let me know what you have learned so far. What do you think about this Google AI Studio? Is it amazing? Beyond amazing. Does it worth trying? So let's take, for instance, the hit up everything to Pro. Will you pay for it? I would advise you to pay for it because it's worth it. So now that it's still free for people like you and I that want it for free for now. I didn't say it, but I mean, come on, let's use it. So I think with this, of course, we've come to the very end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and the link to all this, of course, will be dropped in the description section. So just check it out, and then thank you very much, and bye bye.